it's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. I want to call your attention over my shoulder. On the building, you'll see a T, an H, and a P. What that essentially stands for is Tomorrow's Healthcare Professionals. It's a healthcare school. So I wanted to share with you guys this. Most of the proceeds from all of your Jaguar repairs, all the money that you guys have paid me over the years, have gone to start a healthcare school basically designed to help an underserved population here in Atlanta, Georgia. As we near the end of 2019, I just wanted to say thank you. I am eternally grateful for all of your business. And as this school grows, I will remember each and every one of you guys. Just thank you. And if you are considering using a repair service instead of going to the dealership, please give me a call. There's a much higher value to your dollar than going to the dealership, and I'm going to give you a great price. Please give me a call at 888-317-9340. Thank you guys again. Happy holidays.